leaf and its parts. Children, see these different types of leaves. Can you find any difference between them?
Yes, ma'am. All are of different shapes.
We can identify the plant by looking at the leaf.
Why do all plants appear green in color?
It is because they all contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Do you know that a leaf is consisted of various parts?
No, teacher. Please tell us.
The flat part of the leaf is called as the leaf blade, and the part linking the leaf to the stem is called petiole. The leaf has one main vein and many side veins.
What is the function of the veins?
Children, it helps in the transportation of nutrients from the leaf and water and minerals to the leaf. Can you see tiny opening in the leaf?
Well, they are the stomata. What do the stomata do?
They help the plant to breathe. There are two important functions of the leaf. They make the food. They help in breathing.